is David Livingstone, and now I need to walk to the other side. Like guys, Victoria Falls is so big and it has so many pathways here, so you can like go anywhere and anywhere. So I can't believe it's like a big place with waterfalls found in Zimbabwe, half to Zambia, and yeah, it's so surprising, but that is it. So now we're going to the birds to see the Zimbabwe birds. They keep it here. Like the last time we came here, I think 4 years ago, we also took some pictures at the bird side. So we're gonna check out the bird. Hopefully the gates are open for us to like check the bird, or maybe like they changed because so many things have changed over the past 4 years. And yeah, it's supposed to be raining this side, but it's not actually raining. So guys, I may have showed you my OTD for today. It's very nice. I love the type jeans, like gingerbread jeans, the perfect jeans. Anyways, we're now going there, and yeah, we'll catch you guys there. Oh my gosh, the person behind me is scary. Let me go. We didn't take a picture at David Livingstone.
Yeah, we are going
We
there.
were waiting for you to finish reading.
And it's only now phone and what sad. So now we take almost 5 minutes now. What is the Daddy is tired. Ooh, it looks very nice. It looks very nice.
It's approximately that Victoria Falls are about 1 kilometer long, and as you can see, the water is not running that fast because like there hasn't been rain, but yeah, there are still falls, and hopefully the rain will come back. But yeah, I think I explained more about the falls. That it's 1 kilometer long and its water runs about 75 kilometers per hour. So yeah, and this falls is one of the most visited places in the whole of the world, one of the most popular places to visit, and yeah, mostly Zimbabwe is mostly popular because of its falls. But recently Zambia and Zimbabwe people have been claiming that their falls is theirs, but from the look of things, the Zambia and the Victoria Falls is divided into Zambia and Zimbabwe. So it's both in Zambia and it's both in Zimbabwe. And yeah, you can see the rainbow. It's beautiful. The view is beautiful, but it was very hot, guys. It didn't rain that day, but yeah, we still enjoyed and took lots of pictures there. So guys, we are at Boma restaurant. We came here for dinner. We saw this restaurant on YouTube and decided to visit it, and we had so much fun, guys, there. And there are some videos that we took there, so you guys can also visit this place. It's very nice and very traditional. So guys, before going to Boma restaurant, we stopped by Elephant Hills. Guys, this place is beautiful and big, like really big, and it's very nice, guys. I loved it. But guys, I love this place so much. It was really big and really nice. Actually, in the inside, it was really big. I like the hallways. I like the reception. The way they present their things is just so fantastic, guys. This place was so beautiful. And the thing I loved most was the flags where they were placed of each country, and the inside and the way it presented all these things, guys. It just amazed me, and I was ready. And yeah, we are now going to Boma restaurant. So I will see you guys when we're there.
Yebo linjani?
Hello.
Hello.
How was the day?
We're from here.
Because.
Mutari.
Oh, Kumatomo, yeah. Come to some? Okay. Oh, this is.
Oh, Mr. Machanga song.
Oh, I am. Okay. How they cooking?
Sorry. Nasitonakirwa yedu. Nasitonakirwa shamwari. Atopedza, trust me. The falls. Because I have to go get up running. Very dry. That's my temperatures. They are very high. They are very high. But it should rain. It must.
No what?
We'll take that one. Yeah.
So this is my hair. Maize mini milk.
Okay.
They are boiled. They are boiled, dressed with some herbs. We have got the fritters. It's a corn fritter. There is a corn inside.
Oh, okay.
Yes. The fritters usually eaten flour then deep fried. Only
Okay.
added sugar for taste.
Okay.
And we have the white meat. This is the baby crocodile tail.
Ah,
Yes.
nice.
Okay, so as we are taking your
Baby crocodile, right?
Yes,
The
the
tail.
baby crocodile tail.
Nice. Awesome. Great. Huh? Huh? Hi. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Oh, like them? Very nice. Very nice.
Hi, ma'am. Is this normal chicken or is it roadrunner? It's roadrunner. I think I will have that.
The what?